Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create cute edit in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have imported my video as well to this project. So first of all, I'm going to drag this video to the timeline. Okay, and if you want to create a cute edit, I suggest you to apply CapCut effect. So you can click on effect right here, then you can select either video effect or body effect. So if you select body effect, it means that you want to apply the effect to the part of the body. But if you select video effect, it means that you want to apply effect to the whole part of your video. And today I'm just gonna select body effect. Then you can select the category that you like, and for me I'm gonna go with selfie category, so just click on it. Then I think this effect will make my video cuter, so I'm going to select this effect. And we just need to drag the effect to our video like this. And now the effect has been applied, and I'm going to add another effect. I'm going to select a mood category. Then I'm going to select this one to make my video cuter. So just drag the effect like this. Alright, and now the effect has been applied to our video, and I think my video looks cuter right now, but I don't know about you guys. Actually, the definition of cute is different from one person to another person, and for me it looks cute, but I don't know. How about you? Alright guys, and that's how we can create cute edit in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video guys.